Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated new brand car for 2026, the Peugeot 308. This stylish hatchback represents a perfect blend of European sophistication, innovation, and performance, making it a standout in its class. The Peugeot 308 is a compact car that has consistently evolved since its first introduction, and the 2026 model is no exception. It features cutting-edge technology, refined aesthetics, and enhanced driving dynamics, all while maintaining its practical appeal. Peugeot, a French automobile manufacturer with a long history dating back to the 19th century, continues to innovate in the automotive space. The 308 was first introduced in 2007 as a successor to the 307 and has since become a mainstay in Peugeot's lineup. The 2026 version is expected to build on this legacy with an even more premium feel, offering new powertrains including hybrid and electric options, signaling the brand's commitment to sustainability and the future of mobility. France remains the primary market for the Peugeot 308, but it is also widely used and sold across Europe, particularly in countries like Germany, the UK, Spain, and Italy. Its reputation is growing in other global markets as well, thanks to Peugeot's increasing presence and strategic partnerships in regions like the Middle East, Africa, and parts of Asia. The popularity of the Peugeot 308 is driven by its sleek design, excellent build quality, and the perfect balance it offers between comfort and sportiness. With the 2026 model, Peugeot has refined its performance capabilities even further. The latest generation boasts a choice of efficient engines, including a turbocharged petrol, plug-in hybrid, and a fully electric variant that promises instant torque and a smooth, quiet ride. Performance-wise, the 308 offers a responsive driving experience, thanks to its well-tuned suspension and precise steering. Fuel efficiency remains one of the car's strongest suits. The petrol and hybrid versions deliver impressive mileage, making it a great option for both city driving and long-distance travel. The plug-in hybrid model can go several kilometers on electric power alone, significantly reducing emissions and fuel consumption. The electric version offers a practical range suitable for everyday use, backed by Peugeot's growing network of charging solutions. The 2026 Peugeot 308 is also packed with smart features and capabilities. It includes a state-of-the-art iCockpit interior layout, a high-resolution digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system with seamless connectivity, advanced driver assist systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and more. All these features enhance the driving experience while ensuring maximum safety and convenience. Pricing for the new Peugeot 308 starts at a competitive rate, making it accessible while offering premium features. Depending on the trim and powertrain, it is expected to range between $28,000 and $40,000. The key selling points of the 2026 Peugeot 308 are its modern design, efficient powertrains, advanced technology, and great value for money. Whether you're an urban commuter or a weekend traveler, the new 308 delivers style, performance, and reliability in one sleek package. Stay tuned and consider the Peugeot 308 as your next smart car choice.